Welcome to Milk Moments USA. Today, we're covering one of the most important skills for new parents and caregivers: how to hold a newborn baby safely. Holding your baby correctly not only makes them feel secure and loved, but also ensures their tiny bodies are properly supported. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Why proper holding matters. Newborns are incredibly fragile, especially in their first few months. Their neck muscles are not fully developed, meaning they cannot support the weight of their own heads. Incorrect holding can cause discomfort or even injury. By learning the right techniques early on, you can bond with your baby confidently and safely. Section 2. Preparing to hold your baby. Before you even pick up your newborn, always remember a few key points. Wash your hands thoroughly to prevent infections. Stay calm and relaxed. Babies can sense your mood. Make sure your environment is safe. No slippery floors or clutter around you. Position your body comfortably. You'll want both hands free and strong footing. Section 3. How to pick up a newborn safely. Here's the basic step-by-step. Approach your baby calmly and let them sense your presence. Slide one hand under their head and neck. Slide your other hand under their bottom. Lift slowly and gently, keeping your baby close to your chest. Always support the head and neck. That's the golden rule. Section 4. Safe holding positions. There are a few basic holding positions that are both safe and comfortable. Cradle hold. This classic position involves cradling your baby's head in the crook of your arm while your other arm supports their bottom and back. It's perfect for newborns, especially when soothing or feeding. Shoulder hold. Rest your baby's head on your shoulder while supporting their head and neck with one hand, and their bottom with the other. This is a great position for burping after feedings. Football hold. Tuck your baby under your arm like a football, supporting their neck and head with your hand. This is especially useful for breastfeeding or if you've had a C-section. Lap hold. Sit down and lay your baby across your lap, supporting their head with your hands. This is a gentle, low-energy position perfect for bonding time. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Never let a newborn's head flop backward. Don't hold your baby while doing risky activities like cooking or carrying hot liquids. Avoid sudden movements or quick shifts that could startle or hurt your baby. Be mindful of visitors. Not everyone knows the right way to hold a newborn, so guide them gently. Section 6. Extra tips for first-time parents. Practice holding with a doll before the baby arrives. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance from nurses or pediatricians. Trust your instincts, but always prioritize your baby's head and neck support. Remember, every baby is different. Find the position that feels best for both of you. Holding a newborn might seem scary at first, but with a little practice, it will become second nature. Remember, support the head, stay calm, and cherish these special bonding moments. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment with Milk Moments USA. We're here to make your parenting journey a little easier, one sweet moment at a time. See you in the next video.